Hi you guys, today I'm gonna give you something easy. So easy, your kids can do it. A peanut butter and jelly banana grilled sandwich. That is so delicious. Stay tuned. All right, this is Jen from Epic, Empower People, Empower Change, where we give you money tips and plant-based health tips. You probably like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in a right? Okay, so I'm like, I don't know what to call it, my ultimate peanut butter and jelly grilled sandwich, banana sandwich, but it is so good. It is something I love. It is a comfort food, but with a little extra added into the mix, okay? So, of course, we have some peanut butter and I don't do grape jelly. I know, it's just me. This is my business, right? Tabitha, it's my business. So I got peanut butter, strawberry jam, because that's how I do mine. And I have my banana. Yeah, it's a little brown. Okay, I just realized I was out of bananas. But we gonna do this because it has extra oxygen. So it's oxidated for us. It's extra healthy for your body. Then, of course, I have my vegan bread with my plant-based butter. And, something I add to mine, which is a little adultish here. Just kidding, no. It does like about a, no, it's not. It's not, y'all. All right, it's actually maple syrup, vanilla infused maple syrup. It is so good on my sandwiches. Yes. I do get it from Costco. Hopefully yours has it. Mine does, but this should last us a good while. Lastly, I do add something, and I'll show you how I mix it together. Some dark chocolate with some coconut cream. Yeah. That's a little dipping sauce I make for it. So like I said, this little extra peanut butter and banana jelly grilled sandwich. So let's go ahead and get started making this. Real easy, real simple, real quick. Let's get cooking. All right, you guys, I didn't do much. All I did was cut up my bananas and get my bread out. I'm just gonna talk to you a little bit while I'm sitting here making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, because I was listening to Jim Rohn this morning. So good. So he was talking about the vault, right? This is the easy part. Y'all don't have to worry about this part. But anyways, he was talking about the vault, right? And how everybody stands at the vault looking for something that they need. They stand at that vault and they're like, I need this, I need that. And that vault won't open for you because there are millions and millions of people out there that stand in front and just say, scream out, cry out, I need, but they don't put the hard work into actually getting what they need. Now, I'm not talking about the exceptional people out there. You know what I'm saying? All the exceptional people that are struggling. I'm talking about the pretty much everyday Joe Schmo that has a job that's capable of accomplishing a lot in life. Those people have to do more than just stand at that vault and scream that they need something. All right? It takes hard work. It takes actually planting seeds, because they're the ones that get the harvest, right? It takes dedication, commitment, not giving up. It takes you deciding what you really want to do in life and going after it and not giving up. All right? And when you start to do all of that, when you start working hard at your mission, you wrote down your plan, you're going after it, guess what's going to happen? That vault is going to open for you. It's going to open. It might open slow for some, it might open fast for others, but it's going to open as long as you put in that hard work into it. Is that a little good nugget for you? All right, let's keep going. All right, so I got my peanut butter and my jelly right there. That's so easy, right? Y'all better know how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. All right, so what little extra I do here? Of course, I put my bananas on here. So I have my sliced bananas. Yes, it was that brown one, but we're going to do this because it is what it is. There's a will, there's a way. We're going to keep going. So I got my slices of banana, put that on here. Oh my goodness, it's looking so good already. All right, I got my bananas on there. I have my jelly. Wipe my fingers off here. And then, just kidding. No, let me stop playing with y'all. All right, so I'm gonna take my vanilla infused maple syrup. And I'm actually gonna pour some in a little cap first because it actually has like a vanilla bean that's been sitting in there. It is so good, y'all. Oh my goodness. You gotta try this on some vegan pancakes. I'm gonna drizzle that on top of, I'm just doing little 2 capfuls. Drizzle it on top of your bananas. Or you can put it on your strawberry. It don't make a difference. Okay? And all you do is close that sandwich up. And of course, wipe my knife off again. And I'm gonna go in here, and of course, you're gonna do just like you do a regular grilled cheese. Now, I hope y'all know how to make grilled cheese, right? I hope you do. And I'm just gonna put this here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grill this on my stove, and I'm gonna be right back, okay? All right, you guys, so I have, as you see, like a grilled cheese, like I said, you go ahead and just grill it for, until it's brown. A lot of people like dark brown, a lot of people like light brown. You do you. However dark you like it. I like mine a little dark, so I'm gonna cook it a little longer, and I want my peanut butter to, get a little hot and steamy to go well with my chocolate sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook. I will meet you guys. Oh, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook for a little bit, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing with the chocolate as of right now. All right, so this is a double boiler. You do not need a double boiler, okay? I'm just melting some chocolate in here, as you see. I sometimes do this in a regular pan, but if it's in a regular pan, you have to pay attention to it, okay? Just like make sure you watch your pan, because it can absolutely burn easily in a regular pan. So just remember that can be done in a regular pan. I'm using a double boiler. It is not necessary, all right? All right, I'll meet you over there at the island so we can finish putting together our ultimate PB&J and banana sandwich with chocolate sauce. All right, you guys, so you saw me grilling, you saw my chocolate melting. That's still back there. I'll show you that in a minute. As you see, I have my grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich looking all nice and toasty. All right, so let's talk about this chocolate sauce, okay? All right, peanut butter. So I got my little bowl. No, I don't have any glass bowls. Oh, well. Now, I do want to show you something. This is not for the faint of heart, all right? I actually trained my taste buds to get to at least 90% dark chocolate. It's going to be nasty, straight nasty for anybody who has not trained their taste buds and who do not like dark chocolate, okay? I actually do not like regular milk chocolate anymore. So this is actually green and black organic dark chocolate, 85%. Find whatever chocolate does well with your taste buds. Me, I have to have my dark. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my coconut cream. You can buy this in different stores. I'm gonna pour it in the bowl, okay? It's gonna be thick. As you see, it's pretty thick. I don't know if you see that. It's pretty thick, okay? Now I have my chocolate sauce. Sorry, I'm gonna scrape that down. I'm actually gonna put it in my coconut cream. And I'll put some measurements in there. It depends on how much you want. Do you want the more chocolate taste? Do you want the coconut cream taste? Do you want both tastes? I do about half and half. Sorry. Making music. All right. Like this, I mean, seriously, like, if you want a peanut butter and jelly, but you want it to last in your belly for a lot longer, this is just the way to go. So I'm just gonna stir my coconut cream. Oh, that looks so beautiful. And the dark chocolate is sweet enough that the coconut cream kind of like brings it down a notch, okay? I'm gonna take my sandwich and go ahead and cut it in half. You got pizza cutter, that's good too. All right, so I cut it in half and wipe my fingertips off. Your choice, you could sit your chocolate sauce over to the side like that. Or what I like to do, I like to drizzle it on top of my sandwich. And I eat it with a fork. Sometimes I eat it with my fingers. However, I feel like doing this. All right. You got your magnesium from the dark chocolate. You got your potassium from the banana. Vitamin C from the strawberries. What else we got going on here? Peanut butter. You got some protein. You got some healthy carbs with the vegan bread. You're doing it up here, right? And coconut cream. Oh, so many nutrients, amino acids, and all that stuff with that. So there you go. Get a close-up of that sandwich there. Okay. So I have my coconut cream mixed with dark chocolate on top. And I'm just gonna dig in because that's just how I do my thing. So just think about this. Peanut butter, dark chocolate, bananas, dark chocolate, vanilla infused maple syrup, dark chocolate. Yes, it's gonna be good. It's like comfort food, adult style, adultish comfort food, okay? So again, you can make a little sauce, little cup on the side, dip it in there, or you can be messy like me and just drizzle it all on top and enjoy it. All right, you guys, this is Jen from Epic. Empower people, empower change, where we give you money tips and plant-based health tips. Like and subscribe down below if you want some more amazing tips from us. And, oh, you check this shirt out? You like this shirt? Be humble. I'm gonna put a link down below for you guys to buy your shirts from some of my cousins from New Jersey. All right, shout out to Tyrone and Marcella. All right, love you guys. Bye.